All right. Good afternoon and good morning to you. Welcome to the IELTS Speaking mock test at DP Tutorials. My name is Dipro and I'll be your examiner today. This exam has three parts and will take approximately 11 to 14 minutes. Please try to speak naturally and give detailed answers whenever possible. Could you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Ahlam Shabir. Um, it is spelled Ahlam according to my passport and other official documentation. Ahlam means dream and Shabir means one who is patient.
Awesome. Can I see your identification, Alam, please?
Yeah. Okay.
অলরাইট তো মেইন এক্সামে যেটা হয় যে তোমাকে লিটারালি মানে এটা তোমার পাসপোর্ট তো তো তোমাকে লিটারালি এভাবে দেখাইতে হয় আর কি বুঝছো শিওর হিয়ার ইউ গো এন্ড দেন ওরা তোমার নামটা আর ডেট অফ বার্থটা চেক করে বাট অলরাইট থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ উইথ দ্যাট বিং সেড we will begin with part 1. I'm going to be asking you some questions around music. Do you listen to music every day?
Yeah, I listen to music every day. I think it makes me calm, and whenever I get free time, I try to listen music.
All right. What kind of music is popular among young people in your country?
In our country, among young people, they are actually more interested in rap music and the music which are not classical, like Bollywood or something like that. But some youngers are also interested in classical music as well. And in my case, I am actually interested in both, but mostly I hear Bollywood, normal like 2000 songs. Like
All right, sounds good. Has your taste in music changed over time?
yes, my taste in music actually drastically changed over time. Like before, I used to listen a lot of new music before, like when the trending music, but now I listen to classical songs too much. And I think there are proper tune, and it makes my nerves calm and reduce my stress as well.
All right. Do you prefer listening to music alone or with others?
It depends. I prefer listening to music whenever I am home, but whenever I'm hanging out with friends, I like to hear music with them also. But at that point, I like to hear music which are not soothing, like which are chaotic that time, that kind of music.
All right. Sounds good. With that being said, I'll ask you a couple of questions around weather. What type of weather do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy the weather, normal weather, like in winter in Bangladesh. In winter, there's very normal weather, not like too much cold or too much hot at that moment. So, but I like I, I feel like that I can dress I can wear whatever I want at that point. And also, if the weather is sunny, and we can go out with friends and enjoy.
All right. Would you prefer living in a hot country or a cold country?
I actually prefer living in a cold country, maybe, because I actually can't tolerate too much hot. In Bangladesh, I know there is too much hot and it feels like very suffocating for me.
All right. Awesome. With that being said, we are going to be transitioning to part 2, which is cue cards. I'm going to be giving you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you speak, you will have 1 minute to prepare. You may make notes if you wish.